Generator is used for undergraduate students and LT examination conducted by UPPCS. As we know, limited to CPSN, finite and unique convergent limited to infinity Sn infinity or minus infinity that topic is related to real analysis, convergency of the series. Now discussing comparison test. Limit tends to infinity un upon bn finite and non-zero when summation un summation bn both are convergent total. Together, but summation bn is tested by P series. What is P series? P series summation n to the power n 1 to the power p, 2 to the power p, up to length and to the power p greater 1, convergent p less equal 1, divergent. Example, minus n square minus 1. The un is root n plus 1 n minus 1. Un is nq plus 1 nq minus 1 n4 plus 1 n4 minus 1. Un is n square plus 1 1 by third n square minus 1 to the power 1 by third. Take any one of them. Un is n4 plus 1 n4 minus 1. Un n square taking out n4 plus 1 by 2 n square 1 minus n4 to the power half. N square taking out using binomial theorem 2n4 1 minus 2n4 minus 1 to plus 1 cancel out. Un is n square 2 1 upon n square is un. Now discuss bn. highest power of n in NR upon highest power of n in dr of un. Here we see that Pn, you can take n to the power 0, that is 1. That is 1 upon n square. Highest power of n in dr, n square. Highest power of n in NR is n to the power 0. Apply completed test. Limit n tends to infinity un upon dn. Limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n square divided by 1 upon n square. 1 which is finite and non-zero. So summation un and summation dn both are convergent or divergent together, but summation dn is summation 1 upon n square. By P series, summation dn is summation 1 upon n to the power p, p greater 1, convergent. Here you have p is 2 which is greater than 1, summation dn is convergent. So summation un is also convergent. We come on D'Alembert ratio test. Limit n tends to infinity un upon un plus 1 is greater 1 convergent, less 1 divergent, बराबर टेस्ट के. Example, un is x to the power n upon n square plus 1. un plus 1 x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 square plus 1. un plus 1 x to the power n plus 1 n square to n plus 2. Ratio test. Limit n tends to infinity un upon un plus 1. Limit n tends to infinity x to the power n upon n square plus 1 n square to n plus 2 divided by x to the power n plus 1. 1 power of x, taking out n square from nr and dr divided by n square 1 plus 1 upon n square x. As n tends to infinity, this equal to limit n tends to infinity un upon un plus 1 is one of the sides. But if 1 upon x is greater 1 or x is less 1, convergent. 1 upon x less 1, x is greater 1, divergent. 1 upon x is 1 or x is 1, test A. Now we come on comparison test. After ratio, when x is 1, un is 1 to the power n divided by n square plus vn highest power of n in n r upon highest power of n in dr. Which is 1 upon n square. Comparison test, limit n tends to infinity, un upon vn, limit n tends to infinity, 1 upon n square plus 1 divided by 1 upon n square, limit n tends to infinity, n square upon n square plus 1, limit n tends to infinity, n square upon n square 1 plus 1 upon n square 1, which is finite and non-zero. So summation un and vn both are convergent to divergent together. For test the convergency of vn by p series. By p series, summation vn is summation 1 upon n square where p 2 greater 1. Summation vn is convergent. The results are x less 1 convergent, x greater 1 divergent, बराबर है. Now we come on Rabi test after this test. Limit n tends to infinity and bracket un plus 1 minus 1 is greater 1, convergent, less equal 1, divergent, equal 1. Rabi test. 10 minus 4 divided by 4n square a10 plus limit n tends to infinity 4n plus 5 4n square a10 plus 4 limit n tends to infinity 10 4n 1 plus 5 upon 4n 4n square 1 plus 8 upon 4n square 4 upon 4n square 1 Ramesh Pills De Morgan-Bartlett test. Limit n tends to infinity, then un upon un plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 log n. Greater 1 converted less 1. And let's see infinity. 4n square 5n divided by 4n square 8n plus 4 minus 1 log n. Limit n tends to infinity 4n square 5n 4n square 8n minus 4 divided by 4n square 8n plus 4 log n. Limit n tends to infinity minus 3n minus 4 divided by 4n square log n. Tends to infinity 1 plus 2 by 3n divided by 4n square 1 plus 8 upon 4n log n. Limit n tends to infinity minus 3 by 4 1 plus 4 upon 3n divided by 1 plus 8 upon 4n 4 upon 4n square log n divided by n. And n tends to infinity 4 upon 3n tends to 0 8 upon 4n tends to 0 4 upon 4n square tends to 0 or log n divided by n tends to 0. The value of limit comes out to the minus 3 by 4 1 0 divided by 1 0 0 into 0 equal to 0, which is less than 1. Divergence